Welcome to the best picks. The best Apple HomeKit camera is probably one of the most sought-after smart home security solutions for Apple users, offering seamless integration with other Apple devices, reliable performance, and a user-friendly interface. This in-depth review will explore its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right security camera for your home. Number 5. WYZE Cam V3. See what's happening, day and night, with the new WYZE Cam V3. It's packed with features to keep you informed and secure. It boasts a revolutionary starlight sensor. This allows it to capture full-color video even in extremely low light, up to 25 times darker than standard cameras. It's tough enough for indoor or outdoor use, with an IP65 weather rating. Just remember you'll need the WYZE outdoor power adapter, sold separately, for outdoor installations. It intelligently detects motion and sound. Receive instant alerts to your phone, and customize motion detection zones for precise control. Record continuously with a 32GB microSD card, sold separately. Simply insert the card, and it's ready to record around the clock. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and EUFY. Connect it to your other smart devices and expand its capabilities. What we like. This camera boasts stunning color night vision, even in low light conditions. It's also versatile enough for indoor or outdoor use, making it perfect for various locations. If you value seamless integration with other smart home devices, this is the one for you. What people say. The WYZE Cam V3 is an excellent security camera, offering impressive 1080p video quality with great color night vision. The color night vision feature is a game changer, providing clear, vibrant footage even in low light. The picture quality is excellent, and I was genuinely impressed by how clear and colorful the video is, even at night. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. Introducing the EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. It's more than just a camera, it's your home's watchful eye, providing peace of mind and exceptional clarity. It intelligently distinguishes between pets and people. This means you only receive alerts and recordings for important events, saving you space and time. Experience every detail in stunning 2K resolution. See exactly what's happening in your home, with crystal clear video quality. Effortlessly integrated into your existing smart home ecosystem. Control it with your voice using Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. It automatically follows movement, panning 360 degrees horizontally and tilting 96 degrees vertically. Never miss a thing. Communicate with anyone in the room, in real time, using its built-in two-way audio feature. It's like being there, even when you're not. What we like. Experience incredibly detailed 2K video, ensuring you won't miss a thing. It also features intelligent motion tracking, keeping a focused view on any movement. If you're an Apple HomeKit user, this camera's integration will be a game changer. What people say. The video is crisp and clear and no or very little lag. Great camera. This is great PTZ camera for the price. The image quality is sharp and clear. The pan and tilt operation is responsive. This camera was easy to set up, and works as advertised. Will track moving objects, pets, people, around a room if that feature is enabled. Number 3. eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. It integrates smoothly with Apple's HomeKit system. Enjoy a seamless smart home experience with your Apple devices. This is perfect if you're looking for a subscription-free security camera. It's IP67 weatherproof, so it can withstand any weather. You get reliable home security, rain or shine, year-round. It's a subscription-free security camera. Enjoy all features without extra monthly costs. Save money and enhance your home security. It boasts an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge. Enjoy extended, hassle-free security monitoring with minimal maintenance. This wireless outdoor camera is perfect for low-maintenance security. It uses intelligent human detection with body shape and face pattern recognition. This enhances security measures, providing a robust security system without monthly fees. What we like. Enjoy worry-free security with its incredibly long battery life, up to 180 days on a single charge. It's also built to withstand any weather. If you're looking for a reliable, subscription-free outdoor security solution, this is it. What people say. This system was easy to install and set up. I was able to install the cameras in minutes, probably 10 to 15 minutes each, and after spending a few minutes tweaking the motion detection settings, I was up and running. I am pleased with the camera quality and they work well at night and in low light conditions. Viewing the camera feeds with the app is simple and effective. IR works beautifully at night. Quality is that of Axis cameras, which one of those cameras goes for about the price of this whole bundle itself in comparison. Video quality, crystal clear, even when streaming and not viewing recorded. Motion, I set up a motion mask on all cameras. No monthly fees, this is where EUFY has the market in my opinion. These cameras were easy to install. Pictures are clear and easy to identify faces and people. Number 2. Litokam 2K Indoor Security Camera, 4-pack. It offers incredibly sharp, detailed images, thanks to its 2K resolution and advanced optics. Enjoy clear viewing day and night. With its 360 degrees horizontal and 110 degrees vertical rotation, it covers your entire home. No blind spots, complete peace of mind. It intelligently detects movement and sends you instant alerts. The camera will even automatically track moving objects. Built-in microphone and speaker let you communicate with loved ones or pets. Enjoy clear night vision up to 33 feet. Save videos to a local SD card or cloud storage. Advanced encryption keeps your recordings safe and private. Share it with family and friends. The user-friendly app allows multiple users to view simultaneously and manage multiple cameras. What we like. This camera provides a complete 360 degrees view of your home, eliminating blind spots. It also offers smart motion tracking and multi-user viewing capabilities. If you need comprehensive coverage and easy sharing with family, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The image quality is fantastic, particularly for this price point. It even has night vision which works perfectly. Easy setup, clear images and video, reception always great. Wi-Fi connective was great and the app was easy to install. Motion detector on it works great and you have the availability to navigate the camera from your phone. Very easy to set up. App works great. Good video day or night. You can track motion and program recording times and dates. Number 1. Mubview Indoor Security Camera 2K. Setting up this indoor camera is a breeze. Simply connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and start monitoring your loved ones from your phone. It's the perfect gift for new parents. Enjoy crystal clear 2K video from anywhere in the world. Pan, tilt, and zoom using your phone app to get the perfect view, even at night thanks to the infrared lights. It automatically tracks movement and sends alerts to your phone when motion is detected, so you'll never miss a thing. It's always watching out for you. With its long cord, it can be placed virtually anywhere for optimal viewing. Use the two-way audio to talk and comfort your loved ones from afar. Our app lets you view multiple cameras at once, and your footage is kept private and secure. Plus, with our lifetime service, you can buy with confidence. What we like. With crystal clear 2K video and smart human detection, you'll only receive alerts for important events. Setup is a breeze, making it ideal for tech novices. If you prioritize ease of use and sharp video quality, this is your best bet. What people say. Overall a good camera, well priced and easy to set up. This one connected immediately, clear instructions and the picture is good. See the night mode pic versus the day mode of the same area, pretty good with only a street lamp post light. 2K, pretty clear, clearer than 1080p. The PK320 Smart PTZ Indoor Cam works perfectly for my needs which are for security when I'm not home and monitoring using my Android phone. Two-way audio voice, motion tracking, motion detection, noise detection and privacy protection are bonus features over the old IP camera it replaces. The PTZ controls are a bit touchy, but it didn't take long to get used to using a light touch to fine-tune the image adjustments. Because of the wide-angle lens, I don't need to often use the PTZ controls. This is a fantastic little camera, it works very well. It has great picture quality on the app and very easy to use. Plug in and go. This camera rotates well to the left and to the right. It gives you a great view of the room. It also has very good night vision. Motion detection is very good too, and it is very sensitive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.